We're just about done with going over how to edit actual content, but this one's important because we've all had good old-fashioned writer's block. Don't forget, the whole reason we're doing this is to create a great presentation. Content comes first above all else. You want your audience to believe in what you're telling them, and the PowerPoint presentation is just a tool to get there. But sometimes the words, they do not come that easy. So because of that, there's some tools built in that we can use. For example, a research tool and a thesaurus tool. So right now I'm on slide 22, our products and development slide, and I'm a little stuck. So I'm going to come up here to the Review tab, highlight one of these words because I'm not quite sure about what it is and I really want to double check before I write some more about it, and I'm going to come into the Research button. It's going to pull up a bar on the right, and I can search Bing for eco-friendly. I click the green arrow to start searching, and now I can peruse all the results. I can either read the short descriptions in line right from here, and sometimes that might just be enough. That might be all I need to get back on track. But if not, that's okay. I can still click on these links and go right to the websites themselves. I can close out of that when I'm done and move on. For example, I may need a thesaurus. So I'm going to highlight the word practical and come up here and click thesaurus. So here's where I get a thesaurus, a bunch of words that I could use in place of the one that I've got right now, or if I just need some extras. The really neat thing is I can click on any word here and get to the thesaurus value for those words. I can keep going for as long as I need help coming up with words. From here, I can keep writing my presentation from what I found. When I'm all done, I can click on the X and close out of it. Now there's one last tool that's really fun. It's a translation tool. I'm going to go back to the Home ribbon tab and choose New Slide, Title and Content. I'm going to talk about our worldwide presence. Now, I can highlight this text, come back to the Review ribbon tab, and choose Translate. Then I'm going to select Translate Selected Text. It's going to come back and translate the text into the language I want. And from here, I can look at the results, come down and put the cursor where I want to, and simply type Insert. It did leave my original text highlighted. So if I clicked Insert, it would overlay right on top of my text. It would get rid of the English text and put in the alternate language text. In this case, I wanted to leave it. But the neat thing is that I can keep going. I can simply switch languages at any time, get the new result, click Insert, and put it into my slides. I can add a few more. And it's up to me. I could be done, or I can actually come back here and put in an all-new phrase. I can search again, change languages, hit the search bar, and now I'll get some new text to put in. So, as you can see, you've got lots of tools available, like research and thesaurus and language translation, to help you come up with the best possible content you can for your presentation.